To replace the pump inlet plate in your dishwasher, fully remove the lower dish rack and pull the wash arm assembly straight up to remove. Rotate the coarse filter and wash arm support counterclockwise to detach from the sump. Remove the fine filter ring and filter cup assembly. Next, use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the two pump cover mounting screws to release the old pump inlet plate. Install the new pump inlet plate by positioning it on the sump. Then thread the two mounting screws. Reposition the filter ring and filter cup assembly in the sump so the cup aligns with the drain pump inlet. Confirm the filter ring is flush with the sump. Then align the coarse filter with the wash arm support. Position the assembly in the sump and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Realign the wash arm assembly on the support, then snap it into place. Reinstall the lower dish rack